A ride in the 2010 Lucerne. This large front-wheel drive sedan is a quiet and refined cruiser. It comes with soft suspension, which results in a plush, absorbent ride. It is contemporary in appearance and available with all modern-day features. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, remote engine start, automatic transmission, stability control, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, 6-passenger seating. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.